Are you looking for the best toolbox organizers? In this video we will look at some of the best toolbox organizers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. iChoice 8-Drawer Rolling Toolbox. The iChoice 8-Drawer Rolling Toolbox is a versatile and practical storage solution designed for various environments such as offices, schools, garages, warehouses, workshops, and more. This tool cabinet offers ample space and organization options to accommodate a wide range of tools and equipment. With its thoughtful design and durable construction, it aims to streamline the process of tool storage and accessibility. The toolbox boasts a high-capacity configuration that includes a top drawer, 3 small drawers, 2 trays, 3 large drawers, and a spacious bottom cabinet. This diverse arrangement of drawers and compartments enables users to efficiently categorize and store tools of different sizes and types. From small hand tools to larger equipment, the iChoice 8-Drawer Rolling Toolbox accommodates a variety of tools commonly used in different settings. One of the standout features of this toolbox is its combination design. The detachable top box can be seamlessly integrated with the bottom cabinet, offering flexibility in usage. Equipped with 4 wheels, including 2 universal wheels and 2 positioning wheels, this tool cabinet is highly maneuverable. Additionally, the ergonomic handrails contribute to ease of movement, allowing users to transport the toolbox effortless to their desired location, ensuring that tools are always within reach when needed. Number 2. DUSACOM Tool Chest. The DUSACOM Tool Chest is a versatile storage solution designed to cater to the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its large capacity design, this toolbox offers exceptional storage options with a combination of 8 drawers and 2 lockable cabinets. This multi-structure, multi-purpose, and multi-capacity storage unit is meticulously designed to accommodate a wide array of tools, providing a dedicated space for each type of equipment. The toolbox's thoughtful organization includes drawers of varying sizes, with 3 small drawers and 5 large drawers. This strategic layout ensures that tools of different sizes and categories can be neatly arranged and easily accessible. Whether you're dealing with small precision tools or larger power tools, the DUSACOM Tool Chest offers a suitable compartment for efficient storage. Durability and robustness are key attributes of the DUSACOM Tool Chest. The primary body of the toolbox is constructed from durable steel, providing a sturdy and reliable structure that can withstand the rigors of regular use. Additionally, the wheels are crafted from a rubber-plastic composite material, enhancing the toolbox's portability and ease of movement. Number 3. DUSACOM Rolling Tool. The DUSACOM Rolling Tool stands out as a versatile and robust toolbox designed to cater to various tool storage needs. Crafted with meticulous attention to material quality, this toolbox is constructed using high-quality cold-rolled steel, ensuring exceptional strength and durability. The incorporation of rubber and plastic composite material for the wheels further enhances its structural integrity, contributing to its longevity even under demanding usage conditions. One of the key features of the DUSACOM rolling tool is its ample storage capacity. Boasting a design that prioritizes organization and accessibility, this toolbox is equipped with 8 drawers and 2 lockable cabinets. This diverse range of storage compartments allows for the efficient arrangement and secure storage of a wide array of tools. The thoughtful design includes drawers of varying sizes, each tailored to accommodate different types of tools, ensuring that the toolbox can effectively house a comprehensive collection. The amalgamation of excellent materials and a user-centric design makes the DUSACOM rolling tool a reliable and practical choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether it's in a workshop, garage, or any environment where tools are integral, this toolbox offers both sturdiness and a high degree of organization. Its combination of strength, durability, and multi-capacity storage options positions it as a valuable asset for those seeking a dependable solution to their tool storage requirements. Number 4. Big Red Plastic Toolbox. The Big Red Plastic Toolbox is a highly functional and durable storage solution designed to accommodate a variety of tools and accessories. Measuring 18 inches in length, This toolbox is constructed from robust materials that ensure exceptional durability, providing long-lasting performance and safeguarding your valuable tools. The toolbox boasts external dimensions of L17.6, XW9.2, XH8.8, while its internal dimensions are L16.2, XW7.3, XH6.8. This spacious interior offers ample space for various tools and items, facilitating effective organization and easy access during tasks. One of the standout features of the big red plastic toolbox is its portable and lightweight design. The inclusion of an aluminum alloy handle makes carrying the toolbox to different job sites a hassle-free endeavor. The lightweight construction further enhances its portability, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need to transport their tools on a regular basis. Number 5. 4PC's Magnetic Shelf Tool. The 4PC's Magnetic Shelf Tool Set offers a high-quality solution for organizing and storing tools and small items in a convenient and accessible manner. Crafted with durability in mind, each tray is constructed from robust, heavy-duty steel that is non-corrosive, ensuring reliable performance over an extended period. The trays are finished with a sleek black powder coat, adding to their aesthetic appeal. One of the standout features of this toolbox tray set is its incorporation of extra-strong rubber-coated magnets. These magnets not only provide exceptional holding power but are also designed to safeguard the surfaces they come into contact with. This protective rubber coating prevents scratches and damage to delicate surfaces while ensuring a secure grip on any ferrous, magnetic surface. Each tray within the set is equipped with a varying number of large magnets on its back, ranging from 3 to 8, depending on the tray's size. These powerful magnets ensure that the trays stay firmly in place, preventing unintended movement and ensuring that your tools and items remain organized at all times. The superior magnet strength is exemplified by the ability of even the paper towel holder tray to stay securely attached, even when sheets are torn off from the roll.